End of League leader Kamaruddin. We had predicted the fall of the MLA a few months ago. We broke the story of investors turning against the MLA, seeking refund of their deposits with his firm, the Fashion Gold. And now things are falling in place as we reported. Let's revisit the story. MC Kamaruddin has been synonymous with Indian Union Muslim League in Kasaragod district for the past 4 decades. A college dropout during his degree days at Sir Syed College has climbed his political ladders slowly but steadily. The 59-year-old league veteran was a shrewd businessman by profession. His dedication in politics made him reach the position of the district chairman of the UDF. Kamaruddin became MLA in a by-election in October last year. The election was necessitated due to the death of the then sitting MLA PB Abdul Razak. But even as he was climbing his political ladders, his business graph was plummeting. Fashion Gold was a flagship business venture promoted by Kamaruddin. League leader and Muslim scholar P.K. Pookoya Thangal was the managing director of the group. The group amassed funds from league supporters and NRIs. They mobilized about 170 crore rupees from over 300 odd people to expand the business under Fashion Gold. The business group that launched in 2006 had good fortunes till 2016. However, its graph heads south post 2016. Smelling some rat, investors sought refunds from the group. This made its position from bad to worse. Meanwhile, many promoters quit and some diverted funds. The MLA and Thangal opted to sell some properties and even the gold stock they had. Meanwhile, many investors came with police complaints. Attempts by the MLA and local leaders to settle the issue went futile. And now the MLA has been arrested by the crime branch. In fact, the league leadership has been brainstorming these days whether to seek his resignation as a legislator. They had removed him from the post of UDF's district chairmanship. But the police went ahead of the party and made the arrest today, November 7th. There are clear political ramifications for the arrest. The timing of the arrest coincides with the local body election declaration. The MLA in the capacity of the chairman of Fashion Gold is behind the bars. The arrest of the group's managing director Pookoya Thangal is imminent too. The arrest is made in connection with cheating cases registered under section 420 of the Indian Penal Code. Now the LDF can save its face. The government has been facing criticism for not arresting the MLA despite registering 115 cases against the group. People of Kasaragod had ultimate trust in their leader. But clever are these politicians. They sold properties and reinvested elsewhere. There has been attempts on the part of the league leadership to settle the issues by refunding investors by selling out properties of the jewellery group. However, most of its properties including stock of gold and land were already sold and funds diverted. The GST department had also issued notice to the group for evasion of tax and has demanded payment of dues with penalty. The MLA's plea in the High Court to treat the case as civil matter has been set aside. As per election records, the MLA has assets worth 4 crores and liabilities to the tune of 30 lakhs. The arrest of a league MLA is likely to have political repercussions in the backdrop of the Marxist Party in the opponent LDF camp facing serious political setbacks on account of very many cases including gold scam, life mission and Quran import.
Please subscribe the channel. Also, click the bell button to get the latest updates.